Which is better, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or the OnePlus 13? Now the S25 Ultra does have a very boxy design, whereas things are a bit more rounded out here with the OnePlus. And even though the big thing this year is that the S25 Ultra has more rounded corners, the corners here on the OnePlus are definitely way more rounded. Another difference too is that the OnePlus 13 has a curved display on all sides, so it is an equal curve on all four sides of the device, whereas with the S25 Ultra, the display here is completely flat. Now holding up the two devices side by side here, they're almost exactly the same size. In fact, with the S25 Ultra, we're getting a 6.9-inch display compared to a slightly smaller 6.82-inch display with the OnePlus 13. Now both devices do have very fast in-display fingerprint sensors, which is definitely a great thing. Definitely impressed with the performance of that on both phones. With the OnePlus 13, we are getting a mute switch here on the device, which could come in handy depending on how you like to use your smartphone. Whereas with the S25 Ultra, the signature feature is the S Pen. The materials in the back of both devices are also very different here. We're getting a matte finish with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can see it does pick up some fingerprints and quite a bit of dust. Whereas with the OnePlus, we have almost like this fake leather material on the back of the device. It is soft to the touch, and you can see too that it doesn't really pick up any fingerprints either. And finally, there are some major differences with the cameras on both of these phones. So we are getting a quad camera setup here with the S25 Ultra compared to a triple camera setup with the OnePlus 13. But the biggest thing that the OnePlus is missing is that with the Samsung, we're getting a 5x 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera in addition to the regular 3x telephoto that we're also getting here with the OnePlus 13. And when it comes to price, the OnePlus 13 is $300 cheaper than the S25 Ultra, which does start at $1,299.